Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of December in the year 2024, our system has identified Google as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 20.35% since we first designated Google as a buy candidate 43 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.47% per day since its classification as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and wide upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 17.72% in the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 8.15% to 20.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of around 23.37% over the next year, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 1.42% and 28.18%. This would correspond to a price range between $203.46 and $264.54 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google features the headline, Google stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Google stock price increased by 2.56% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, rising from $201.23 to $206.38. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.09%, with a low of $202.82 and a high of $207.5. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.21% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 37 million shares changed hands for approximately $72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $207.5 and the lowest was $130.67. Currently, the price is 0.32%, or just over 67 cents, below the 52-week high, and 91.57%, or $2,242.54, below the all-time high reached on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet Inc., trading under Google, has experienced a significant decline in its stock following its fourth quarter earnings report. While the company exceeded earnings expectations, its cloud revenue, a vital area for growth, failed to meet targets, resulting in a 6% drop in after-hours trading. This decrease reflects investor apprehensions regarding Alphabet's cloud performance, which, despite doubling year over year, did not align with anticipated goals. Furthermore, the report revealed a strategic decision by Alphabet to substantially raise its capital expenditures, with guidance set at $75 billion for 2025. Although this may indicate ambitious long-term growth plans, it has unsettled investors concerned about the immediate effects on cash flow and profitability. In the short term, these disappointing results may lead to increased volatility in Google's stock price as investors reevaluate their positions. If cloud growth continues to lag, it could adversely impact investor sentiment, potentially resulting in further declines. However, the long-term outlook remains more promising, as analysts emphasize the company's foundational strengths in artificial intelligence and YouTube. The balance between investments and returns will be crucial in shaping Alphabet's financial trajectory moving forward. As the market processes these outcomes, Google's future performance will largely hinge on how effectively it manages its growth initiatives amidst existing challenges. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong buy classification. The following signals have been identified for Google. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. Google stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $199.29 and $194.75. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 22, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 25.26%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 48 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $195.40 and $191.41. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Google finds support just below today's level at $195.40. If this level is breached, then the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $191.41 and $167.63. This stock is generally traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.23, which is 2.09% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.87%. Before we dive into the possible advantageous trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively standard PE ratio, typically observed in established businesses with consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts are estimating a consensus figure of $2.12. It's important to monitor these estimates as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and utilizing volume to determine the optimal moment to exit. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $195.40. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of February, 2025, O'Toole Amithuiner conducted an insider sale of 1,340 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted an insider sale of 14,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted another insider sale of 12,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of January, 2025, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sale of 100 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of January, 2025, O'Toole Amithuiner conducted an insider purchase of 1,340 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 22.673. Overall, insiders purchased 1,754,803 shares and sold 1,110,240 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $198.91, reflecting a decrease of 3.62%. This stock experiences low daily fluctuations, indicating a lower risk level. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom that was established 47 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits several positive indicators and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we consider it a favorable option at present levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our assessment of this stock, elevating it from a buy to a strong buy candidate. However, after examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of February, we expect Google to open lower by 96 cents, starting at $205.42. It is important to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.